we are proud to announce that Draganfly has been awarded to supply its Flex first-person viewer drone and training to U.S. Air Force Special Operations Command units in partnership with DelMar Aerospace. The partnership brings together Draganfly's operationally proven uncrewed platforms with DelMar Aerospace's expertise in delivering cutting-edge, mission-relevant UAS instruction to government operators. Initial training activities include advanced first-person viewer UAS instruction supporting U.S. Air Force operators requiring tactical surveillance combined with operational lethality. Training will take place at DelMar Aero's Pendleton UAS range, a controlled environment purpose-built for advanced instruction while replicating the conditions faced by deployed forces. The first training cohort begins in mid-February, supporting operators who demand reliability, adaptability, and performance in austere environments. Training on Draganfly's Flex Advanced Payload drone is serving as the modular backbone for future small UAS configuration, aligned with evolving Department of Defense requirements from drone dominance initiatives to SOCOM operations. The Flex architecture enables rapid mission adaptation while maintaining a consistent training operational baseline. This win reflects a shared commitment to disciplined training, operational realism, and combat capability. By standardizing instruction around the Flex drone's modular, mission-ready platform, operators gain the confidence and consistency required to execute across diverse and demanding operational environments. At Draganfly, we remain focused on delivering real-world solutions that enhance readiness, adaptability, and mission success, saving time, money, and lives.